Hi, I'm Rob DeGroot from EHS Sales. I'm here to talk to you today about our outdoor sump system. We've been getting a number of inquiries about it, and the fact that we've got a DIY system available. People want to know how to put these systems together. With some of the tools you will need to put all this together is a drill with a 5/16 hex bit. You'll need a 7/16 socket, 7/16 wrench, and a knife. So you get top lid, bottom lid. You get a pot with perforations in it. You can see them here, they're all pre-drilled out. And then you get a pot with perforations with a 4-inch hole. And you also get the parts bag. It comes with your 4-inch tile connection, drainage sock, and parts, nuts, bolts, any fasteners you need, all stainless steel. So to assemble, you're going to take your pot with the perforations, and you're going to take your pot with the 4-inch hole. And you're going to line up the holes. There's pre-drilled holes in here that you're going to line up. Now, sometimes you have to re-drill the holes a little bit if they don't quite line up.
And the pre-drilled holes are on the inside there?
And outside. That's what you need to fasten this together. So you basically install like that, put your nut like so, and then you'll do 4 of them like that. So what we're going to do now is take our 7/16 wrench and our 7/16 socket with a drill, and you're just going to tighten all of them up. And you'll do all 4. Okay. Next thing you'll do is you'll put your tile connection in, and then you're going to take this sock, which is long enough for our longest sump, which is 165 inches long. So you won't use all this sock all the time, but we give you enough, so it depends on what you're doing. So what you want to do is stretch this sock up and over the sump. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting this drainage sock on so there's no sand and silt that can get in these perforations. So what you do, pull this high enough that this comes like so. So you want it to sit on the lip a little so that when you fasten the lid on, it kind of holds it in place. It's not critical, but it's helpful. So you grab your white lid, center it on the spot, take your drill, and there's a spot here for 4 holes. And you just put a bolt in, or a screw in each one of these, and that'll hold everything nice and tight. And that's how you put your base model together.